Hi kids, I'm back. So for writing this week, I'm going to be looking at, if you have your packet, it's going to be on page, let me show you, page 11. So this is kindergarten writing. Do this first activity, and this is going to be your assignment too. They give you other ones, but this is the one I'm going to be looking at. So I want you to be thinking, we're going to be trying to persuade people, and persuade means you're trying to convince them to do something. So be thinking, what would happen if people are not being quiet when others are working or learning from home? Because a lot of you, you're doing your schoolwork at home now, your parents might be working at home. I want you to write a note or make a sign that's going to persuade or convince others to help. So be thinking, why is it important for us to be quiet while your moms and dads are working? And why is it important for maybe your brothers and sisters to be quiet when you're trying to do your schoolwork? So try to be thinking of some reasons, and you can write a note or you can make a poster. Miss Henderson's going to make a poster, so I have my sheet of paper. And remember, first things first, it's always the same. I pick up my pencil and I write my name. So I'm going to get my name up here, Miss Henderson. And I'm going to write today's date. Also, if you guys can start writing your last name, definitely do that too. Most of you, all of you know your first name. Try to start doing your last name too. It's April, uppercase A because it's the name of the month, 20th, 2020. And I'm going to make a poster. So I'm going to have, it's not going to be like a letter or a story. I'm going to kind of write a little bit everywhere. And when you make a poster, you really want a focal point, something that everyone's going to look at first. So I'm going to put that in the middle. And now all this is about being quiet while others are trying to do their work or learn. So I'm going to put big in the middle, quiet time, because that's where I want people to know that it's quiet time when I'm doing my work. Okay, quiet, Q, U, I, E, T, quiet time. I, it has a silent E. It's a quiet time. And you know what? When I'm done with my poster, I'm going to tape it on the door. So when I'm making these videos for you guys, Officer Henderson, if he walks to the door, he can see my poster and he knows, oh, it's quiet time because Miss Henderson's trying to do her work, so he won't bother me when I'm getting my work done. Now I want to convince him why it's important to be quiet, and I want to give as many reasons as I can. The first reason it's important to be quiet when people are trying to work or trying to learn is they do better work. When it's really noisy and loud, you can't think as well. So you do a lot better work when it's quiet. So I'm going to say, I'm going to count my words. I do better work. So I need 4 words. Let's write that. I do, right over, better work, period. I is one of our words and it's the beginning of a sentence and it's the letter I. So I do. Do is one of our words. D, so better. Now I can sound that out with my rubber band. B-e-t-er. I'm going to write everything I heard. B-e-t. Better work. W-er. I do better work. So if people are quiet when I'm making my videos, I do better work. Okay, why else is it important for people to be quiet when some people are trying to work and learn? You know what? It's being polite, being kind, right? When people are trying to work, you're quiet for it. That's called being polite. So it is being polite. 4 words again. 1, 2, 3, 4. It, I, that's one of our words. T, is, that's our word too, make sure you spell it correctly, is being, being polite. Polite's another word for kind, polite. P-O-L-I-T. End of the sentence. Very good. So far I have 2 reasons why I'm trying to convince people to be quiet when I'm doing my work, and when they're doing their work, I'm going to do the same thing. So I do better work. It is being polite. Let me give another reason. We all know we work first and then we play. So if people are quiet when I'm doing my work, or you're quiet when they're doing work, they can get their work done faster, so they have time to play and do fun things with you, right? So let's put that down. We can get our work done faster so we can play. So we'll say, once I'm done, I can play. So that's 6 words. So if people are quiet, I can get my work done and then I can play. So 6 words. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, period. So once, let's try once. Once. Remember, it doesn't have to be spelled correctly. I can sound out once. I'm done. I can, that's one of our words. C-A, play. P-L-A, period. So once I'm done, I can play. That's a very good reason for people to be quiet when I'm working. That's a very good reason for you to be quiet if your parents are working, because once they're done working, they can play with you, right? Yeah. So I have 3 reasons. I'm going to do one more, and then I can draw some pictures to help me remember exactly what I wrote. So for example, being kind or polite, I wrote polite. I can draw a heart here, because that is being kind. So it kind of helps me remember what I wrote. And it's a poster. Posters have colors and pictures, so it gets people's attention. You know what? I'm going to draw a couple hearts. Make it look real nice. And remember, I'm going to tape this on my door, so when I'm making these videos for you guys, people know that I'm working, so they'll be very quiet for me. I do better work. What can I draw for that? I could draw like a pencil, like I'm writing something on a piece of paper, because I am doing that. So I can draw a little pencil. I do better work. Because when it's really noisy, it's hard for Miss Henderson to get her videos done and her work done. So when people are quiet, I do a lot better videos. Here's my little pencil, eraser. Ooh, and I can label that too. That'll look good. Pencils are normally yellow. And I need the tip of the pencil sharpened. Ooh, we got lots of colors on this pencil. There we go. Ooh, and then I can have a piece of paper. Like so you can use markers, crayons, whatever you have at home. And this is the paper that I'm working on. Pearson. Oop, remember that's good. And also I was making a math video, so I'm going to put some math up here. So draw a picture for each sentence that you write to kind of help you remember, and it makes it look really nice. Add lots of details, lots of color. Don't forget your finger spaces, periods. If you need help spelling, use your rubber band or ask somebody to help you. I cannot wait to see your guys' posters, or you can write a note. It's up to you. But remember, you're trying to persuade people to be quiet when other people are trying to learn or when people are trying to work. So send me a picture of what you did. I cannot wait to see it. I love you. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.